Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rashmi Trivedi. And as I have told you during the introduction, I take care of training and placement cell. So like every other college, we also have a well-established training and placement cell. But what is different is that we are known for the best placement in the region. And there are many reasons that why we are known for our training and placement cell. So I'll just take you through our journey. So the objectives, before we move ahead, I would like to tell you about the objectives. So our objective is to provide industrial exposure to the students. Now, how do we provide this industrial exposure? We provide it in the form of in-plant training for the students, industrial visits for B.Pharm and M.Pharm students, research project training for all the students, especially for M.Pharm third sem students, and especially placement for M.Pharm and B.Pharm final year students. Our another objective, which is the main objective, is to bridge the gap between the industry and academia. As you all know, for the better placement in industry, it is very much essential to be connected with industry, and therefore our objective is to bridge the gap between industry and academia. Our another objective is to provide platform for the students to interact with the pharma industry. So we provide the platform where students can directly interact with the various professionals, technical experts, as well as HR professionals from the various eminent pharma industry. We also have an objective to provide exposure to our students to know the industrial requirement in terms of what is the requirement of technical experts as well as HR experts in the industry. Then we also intend to work with the objective to develop effective communication skills and enhance the soft skills amongst the student, because to get placed in a good reputed company, it is important for the student to have good communication skills. So we have been taking training programs for that. And last but not least, our main objective is to prepare and equip our students to face the corporate world and make them more employable. So coming to the activities of training and placement cell. So every year we have been organizing several national level conferences and seminars under the banner of Pharma HR Society, that is in association with Pharma HR Society. We also organize guest lectures from eminent personalities from the HR as well as technical person from industry. We have been organizing workshops for the soft skill development, CV writing, and interview techniques for the students. We also conduct group discussions for the effective communications of the student. And we also conduct in-house resume writing sessions for our students. So one of the very renowned and most popular activity is related to the pharma HR activities. So I would like to give you a brief introduction. What are these pharma HR activities? So what has happened that in 2012, we had organized this first Pharma HR Summit. I would like to tell you that we are the only college in India to organize this kind of summit where 22 HR managers, especially all from the pharmaceutical industry, had participated with the theme to bridge the gap between the industry and academia. And here the students of the college directly got an opportunity to talk to the pharma HR professional. In our times, it was not possible for us to meet even a single person from the industry, but we as a institute had provided this opportunity, golden opportunities, where our students, they got an opportunity where they could directly talk to the pharma HR professionals. So, and for this, we were highly applauded throughout the India, and were the first pharma institute to organize such pharma HR summit. So these are few glimpses of that first pharma HR summit. It was held at Tuli Imperial, and it was attended by more than 400 students. So the best outcome or the most fruitful outcome of this first Pharma HR Summit was that by the idea of our leader, dynamic leader, Dr. Milind Umekar, we had registered this Pharma HR Society. So what is Pharma HR Society? Pharma HR Society is a registered society under the Society Registration Act 1852, and this is one of its own kind. The mission of Pharma HR Society is to be the best national platform for dealing with all issues related to HR professionals in the pharmaceutical industry in India. Now, why did we form this society? The main idea was to provide best opportunity to our students through this society. As you can see here in the picture, so many pharma HR professionals are member of this pharma HR society. As on date, we have more than 70 pharma HR professionals who are the member of pharma HR society. So this is the executive committee of Pharma HR Society. Here you can see our president is Mr. Akhilesh Mishra, who is senior vice president HR at Bharat Serums and Vaccine Limited, Mumbai. Our vice president is Mr. Salil Pense, DGM HR at Sian Healthcare, Pune. And our secretary is Dr. Milind Umekar, principal of our college. And as you can see here, there are so many members who are from renowned companies like Merck, Cipla, Indico, Alkem, Sanofi, who are the executive member of this society. But there are only 3 members who are from academics. One being our principal, Dr. Milind Umekar, who is secretary. I am the treasurer of Pharma HR Society, and Mr. Nishant Avandekar is executive member of Pharma HR Society. So we being in the executive committee, we have very good collaboration and connection with people in industry. So this is the glimpse of second Pharma HR Summit, where we had 30 Pharma HR professionals of top position from various pharma companies. And here also student got opportunity to interact with HR professionals. We had people from Dr. Reddy's, Lupin Limited, Vocard, Mylan, Sanofi, Alkem, and so many other companies. So this was held at Lee Meridian Hotel, and it was also highly applauded. One of the most successful event of training and placement cell. So this is the slight glimpse of people who were there as a resource person in the second Pharma HR Summit. Now coming to Lupin Campus Association or MOU which we have, and we are the only college in Vidarbha to have such kind of connection of Lupin Campus Connect. Now what is Lupin Campus Connect? As you all know that Lupin Limited is the only largest company which is situated in Nagpur, and it has signed an agreement with us to establish Industry Academia Connect in the form of student encouragement, exchange and live research projects. So we have signed this MOU on 15th May 2014, and still it is continuing, and for many more years, upcoming years, we are associated with Lupin Limited. What happens through this Lupin Campus Connect? So what happens is that Lupin gives scholarship to our B Farm and M Farm final year toppers every year. And Lupin also provides training, research and opportunity for research project and placement opportunity to our students. So here you can see the plant head of Lupin Limited is signing an MOU. This is that historical photograph where you can see that we had a press conference at Tuli Imperial where this MOU was signed. So this is a copy of that MOU which has been signed by college principal and from HR head from Lupin Limited. Apart from this Lupin Campus Connect MOU or MOU with Lupin Limited, we also have MOU with other renowned companies. Some of them are Sanofi and Getz Pharma. Now here you can see the glimpses of Lupin scholarship to the MPharm topper. Here you can see MPharm topper Mr. Sachin Kankate receiving the scholarship check from Mr. T. Vijay Kumar, who is the head HR at Lupin Limited. And here Miss Sneha Barapatre is also receiving, because she was B.Pharm topper, she received scholarship from Lupin Limited of 30,000. Apart from this, Sneha Barapatre also got opportunity to work with Lupin, and right now also she's working with Lupin at a higher designation in QA department. And I would definitely like to motivate you through an example of Mr. Sachin Kankate. I would like to tell you here that Mr. Sachin Kankate was coming from North Maharashtra and he belonged to a very humble family. But today, after receiving his Lupin scholarship, he had gone to Glenmark to complete his research project. College had sent him to Glenmark. After Glenmark, Glenmark gave him an opportunity to go to Malaysia, and today he is working at very senior position in Malaysia. So we are proud of our students, and I hope many of you go ahead and make us equally proud equally. So this is the, as I have told you, MOU signed with Sanofi, India Limited, Goa. This is the MOU with Gates Pharma. And we have many more other MOUs with Watson Pharma Limited, Mumbai, Sushrut, Dipti, Snehal Pharma, BDA, Suyog, NM Pharma, Mayons, and many more. We are expecting many more MOUs in future. Now, one more very prestigious event that is which is held at SKB College of Pharmacy is national level pharma quiz competition. So we are very proud to be associated with the various eminent pharma companies to conduct this national level pharma quiz competition. More than 500, but this year we have received more than 800 teams from all over India to participate in this program. And what does company do? They give the prize money to a winner and runner, and this has been sponsored in last few years by Alembic Pharma, Gates Pharma, Bharat Serums Vaccines Limited, and Rusan Pharma. So these are few glimpses of this national level pharma quiz competition, which we have in association with various pharma companies. So why do we do this? So that the most many number of pharma company HR and higher level top position managers, they come and give visit to college, and thus this is very much helpful for us to place our students easily into topmost companies. So we also conduct pre-placement guidance. Now, coming to Lupin Campus Connect initiative, as I have told you that we are in tie-up with Lupin, and therefore last year we had conducted this SKB Lupin Pharma Oogle. Now, why we have named this Pharma Oogle is that it's just like a Google. You know, whenever we are going to a company or when we wish to work in a company, we have several questions to our mind. So just like Google, I wanted that my students should get all their answers from the experts directly. So what happened during this 8 weeks program is that experts from the various department of company, that is Lupin Limited, they guided the students of B Farm as well as M Farm for the tasks done in various departments, what are the process handled at their department, responsibilities, work profile, challenges, scope, perspective requirements, and above all, they told the students that what are their expectations from freshers and employees. So it was just like a training program for our students, and many of them, they have got benefited through this SKB Lupin Pharma Oogle program. So these are few glimpses only of inauguration I have included because it was of 8 week. So this is the glimpse of SKB Lupin Pharma Oogle. Now coming to the most important part, that is campus interviews. So recently we had this campus interview, pool campus drive with Orbindo, a reputed company at Hyderabad. Here you can see Miss Pallavi Gotu Mukkala, who is head HR of Orbindo, and Mr. Naveen. They had come to recruit our students. Then we also have had this Alembic campus interview. I would like to tell you that Alembic is very close to us, and that is why every year at least 5 to 6 students of MPharm, they are placed at Alembic, and every they are so close to us, and we have tie up with them, and therefore every year they come to conduct pool campus interviews at our campus. So Mr. Devesh Parikh, he had been coming since last 3 years. So these are few glimpses. Then we had this another campus interview again with Alembic. And then we also had this campus interviews of Midas Care Pharma Limited, then Lupin Limited, as I have told you. Then we have other major interviews, campus interviews with Mylan Labs. You can see Mr. Ankush Jamadagni, who is GMHR at Mylan, guiding the students about the rounds of various explaining about the interview processes. Then this is again Alembic. And again, we also had this major campus interview of Sun Pharma. Then, because of so many campus interviews and industrial tie-ups, we always get good placement. And therefore, today, students, because of this industrial types, are placed at various reputed companies. Some of them I have mentioned here. My students are working at very senior position at Lupin Limited, and all the plants of Lupin. As you know, the plant is situated in Nagpur, Pune, Aurangabad, as well as Goa. So students are working at Lupin. They are working at, as I have told you, Alembic, Alchem Laboratories, Mumbai, Sun Pharma, Vadodara, Sanofi, Goa, Vocard, Aurangabad, Gates Pharma, Mumbai, Inventia, Thane, Watson Pharma, Mumbai, Glenmark, Mumbai, Indoco Remedies, Mumbai, McLeod Pharma Limited, Mumbai. They are working, most of them, because nowadays they are more inclined towards pharmacovigilance. They are also working in Cognizant, MCure, TCS, Psi Life Sciences, Analtech, Mylan, USV, Strides, Biocon, Chemwell, then Microlabs, Himalaya, Dr. Reddy's, Torrent Pharma, Novartis, Piramal Healthcare, Hetero, Estron, GVK Bio Life Sciences, and Zydus, Biological Evans, Cadila, Cipla, Shreya, and many more. So this is the glimpse of, again, as I have told you, we conduct many seminars. So this is of one day national seminar where we wanted our students to know that what are the industrial expectations. So rather than listening from us, we directly invited Akhilesh Mishra sir, who is vice president senior vice president HR at Bharat Serums, and also he is the president of Pharma HR Society. So he directly guided the student. Then we had Mr. Ashok Giri as Assistant Commissioner FDA Nagpur. Then we had Ruturaj Tanak from Intas Pharma, and Parag Khasne from Mylan, and Mr. Vijay T. Vijay Kumar, and Mr. Sumit Salunke from Lupin. So it was again hugely applauded. Then we also conduct 2 days workshop on CV writing and interview techniques. And we, because we have so many connections with the companies, every year during our annual function, we invite our chief guest from the industry. So one of such event, we had invited Miss Aditi Khare Panandikar, who is managing director and yes, owner of Indoco Remedies Private Limited, Mumbai. So directly the owner had come for the inaugural ceremony, and she also visited our college. And we throughout the year we have people from various industry visiting college. So here you can see team from Alchem Labs coming to us and having an interaction with us. We also had Miss Vaishali Vaidya from Flamingo Pharma Limited, Mumbai. Because there are many visitors, but only few I have included here. We also organize industrial visit to various companies, and I have added only the glimpse of industrial visit to Lupin Limited, Mihan. And during COVID times, I know it was a difficult situation for every one of us, especially for the students, because their exams were postponed, their opportunities were postponed. And therefore, we had organized this unique placement guiding webinar in association with Pharma HR Society. So it was attended by more than 4,577 participants from all over the country, and this had motivated our students a lot to come up and get and face the pandemic. I would like to tell that despite of this COVID pandemic, our students are doing well, and they are 80 more than 90% they are placed. But some of them, even they got opportunity during COVID pandemic, but they because of their family issues, they didn't prefer to go and join at companies which were far away from Nagpur. Then again, a very prestigious thing that we'd like to share, that since last 4 years, we are in platinum category of AICTE CII survey. So now what is this AICTE CII survey? So AICTE along with CII, they conduct a survey, and based on how much industry linkages does the college have, college can be placed into silver, gold and platinum category. And we are very proud that because of our strong industry connections, we are constantly placed in platinum category since last 4 years. So then about the industrial research projects, as I have told you in the beginning, objective is to provide the maximum industrial exposure and maximum placement opportunities. And therefore, every year we send our MPharm students to only the interested ones are sent, obviously, for a research project. This research project may last from 6 to 8 months, depending upon the requirement of the company. And students are generally sent during third and the fourth sem. Now, why are they sent? As I have told you, to get a live industrial exposure, because theory and when you go to industry, things are really different. So before placement, they are getting acquainted. They can get acquainted themselves with the industrial environment. So they get an industrial exposure. They understand that what is the corporate culture, and they are like, they feel very confident because they assist the industry in completing their projects. They also get a platform where they can, if they are liked by their manager and the people with whom they are working, they can directly get a placement opportunity. Many of our students, they have got this opportunity through their research projects. And ultimately, because of all this, good reputation among the pharmaceutical industry is built about the brand SKB, and this ultimately helps you for your better future prospects. So see, I have only shown the placement of last third year. Green indicates the total intake and the yellow represents the placement percentage, so number of placement. So as you can see that our placement is more than 90% since last 3 years. And in fact, and despite of COVID pandemic, this year also maximum of our students, they have got placed and they are working in pharmacovigilance, RA, QA and R&D department. This is about the placement of BPharm students. As you can see that all of you know that maximum of them they prefer to go for higher studies, and those who wish to get placed, I mean those who wish to work, we help them studies graph and placement. They are always more than 90%, and I mean 100% placement is there, and rest of them they go for higher studies. So coming to the last slide, that is what is our upcoming event. We always try to bring best things for you, and therefore we have this Dhruv event. We have named it as Dhruv, guiding light to bright and pure career path. Now, why we have named this Dhruv? As you all know, Dhruv is a pole star. Okay, so the Dhruv is always rising above the horizon. So what we want you to shine more. What we have found that despite of arranging the interviews for the students, some of them are unable to crack the technical round. So we will be having trainings from industry experts, alumni, and the faculty. Then we will be conducting the test for the technical rounds, which will be helping you to crack the questions in the technical rounds of interview. Then we will be having a CV writing workshop in Dhruv itself, and we will be also having some soft skill training during this Dhruv event. So we will be starting it by next week. I mean, 10 to 15 days. We are about to start this event. I hope you all will learn a lot, and whatever queries you have in your mind will be solved. Thanks a lot.